Joe, happy Sunday. Sunod natin si Kakora. Papatato po ulit kayo.
Of course, yeah. To only to Mako, to Maywo. Yeah. Yep.
Yan, wait lang po. Sarado ko lang po. So yun, bali, sunod natin si Takora. Kapatid siya ni Tichit, si paring Gibbs. Yan. So, dito sa Park Place. So, minsan nagsaservice ako dito. Minsan sa car. Minsan sa shop. 24/7. So, I'm always on the go. Gaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, babagay ng sipag ang buhay. Manatiling positibo. Always be consistent.
Oh, hey, Java boy, this is my friend. What's your name?
Siso.
Siso. Oh, Siso. So how's your tattoo? How's your experience in the Memo Tattoo Shop?
It was wonderful.
Wonderful?
Treated like family, man. Yeah. Worked out good. Beautiful job.
Just Real, si Just Real ang gumawa niyan. Where's Just Real? Ayun. So, sa lahat ng gusto magpa-tattoo, local, foreign, please come visit our shop 24/7. Good ambiance, good tattoo, good shop. Good?
Good food.
Good food?
Good food.
Good
What do you
beer.
say?
Good food.
Good? No,
Good.
invite them.
Oh, invite them. Come on down. Yeah. Wonderful job. Beautiful job. Love it.
Good?
May model ka ba ngayon?
Dito po ako.
Ha?
Dito.
Sayaw.
Yung love now or